What is the biggest blunder or mistake you have made in your life? It could have cost you anything from your time, your money, whatever it is, but it was the biggest mistake you made till now. What is it? Think about it. Think about that moment. Now that you've thought about it, now that you're aware of that, I want you to do one thing. Take your right hand and pat yourself on the back and say, I'm proud of you. Say that to yourself. Now, this might sound strange. You just thought about the biggest blunder and mistake you made, and then you're saying to yourself that I'm proud of you. Well, that is actually something you need to do. You must be proud of your mistakes and you should actually make more of them. Because making mistakes is what helps us become successful. If you see that one person has become successful, it is only because they have stepped over many mistakes and failures to get to that level. So if you have made a mistake, then you should be proud of it, you should be happy for it, and you should accept that. As a society, we think that making mistakes is bad, making mistakes or making blunders is bad, failing is bad. But that's not the truth. Failing is not bad, making mistakes is not bad, making blunders is not bad. Because then how else are we supposed to learn? As children, when we are 2, 3 years of age, we start to learn how to walk. What if we use the adult mind, the way we think now at that time? And it would go somewhat like this. We start walking, we take 2 steps, we fall down. Oh my god, I have made the biggest mistake of my life. Now what will my parents think? What will my brother, what will my relatives think? Oh my god, no, I can't do this. I cannot walk. Let me just give up on walking because I am a failure. I made a very big mistake. I can never recover. Do children think like this? Do children get so anxious, get so hyped up about these things and about that? Oh my god, what if I fail? What if this happened? Now, what will they think of me? What will people think of me? No. Children never think that way. They don't have those kind of thoughts pacing through their minds. Instead, all they have in their minds is, no problem, I'll just try again. And that is how we learn to walk. And if children, we are so accepting of mistakes, then why are we not in the same way accepting of mistakes in our future too? Why do we classify them as something bad instead of an experience we can learn from and an experience that can teach us a lot? Why do we consider that mistakes are bad? Well, let me tell you this. It is based in the way we think, in the way we are conditioned to think. There are two ways in which our society thinks. One is survival oriented and the other is success oriented. When you are survival oriented, you think about your survival. You think that I should be able to survive, I should be able to pay my bills, I should be able to afford education, I should be able to afford the basic needs and then enjoy a little. That's what we basically think. Survival mindset is a mediocre existence. And because of that, when we have that survival mindset, no, I should just get by at least, what we start thinking is, if I make this mistake, everything will go away. If I make this mistake, I will lose my money, I will lose my relationships, I will lose my time, I will lose my energy, I will lose my reputation. We have that kind of thoughts and then we think that, no, I should not make mistakes, I should not make mistakes. Instead, what I should do is, I should just be able to be safe, I should not take risks. And that is where the survival mindset kicks in. Don't make mistakes. Making mistakes is bad. Instead, don't take any risks. Live as you are. Take your life as it goes. That is what a survival mindset is. But when it comes to success mindset, it is different. It is not based on survival and just getting by. It is based on achieving new heights. It does not begin with where you are and what the logical thinking is. It begins with the irrational goals you have in your mind, the magical things that you want to do. And if you can dream them, you can achieve them. So once you start dreaming high, you are like, yes, I want to get there. And you're like, I'll do whatever it takes to get there. And that is what a success mindset is. And when we have a success mindset, we are accepting of mistakes, we know that failures, obstacles, and all of those things will come in between. They are the stepping stones that define success, and by accepting them, by learning, is the only way we will grow. That is what a success mindset is. But the problem is 90% of people in this world have the survival mindset. They think of being mediocre and just getting by, and only 10% of people have that success mindset that making mistakes is okay and I'll do whatever it takes to get to my goal, even if it means that I have to let go of my pride, I have to let go of my ego, I have to let go of what other people will think of me, and I just have to focus on where I want to go. That's what it means to be more accepting of mistakes. And who is a better example than Thomas Edison? He failed so many times. People would have told him over the years, your efforts won't be worth it, you are just failing and again and again. But Thomas Edison always thought that by failing, I am just discovering another way not to make the light bulb. And eventually, after hundreds and thousands of failures, he finally made it. He cracked the code, and that is why today we have light in our houses at night. Do you see the power of making mistakes? When you make mistakes, when you accept them as stepping stones to success, you give yourself a chance to try again. You give yourself a chance to grow. And when you give yourself that chance, you're able to push through all obstacles, you're able to push through all uncertainties, and you are able to grow, which eventually leads you to the top 1 to 3% of people, the top 10% category basically, and you become a successful, happy person with abundance and impact and influence. And if you want that, then you need to accept that making mistakes will be a part of it. Just consider it like Thomas Edison. I've just discovered another way of not doing this. If I fail at making videos, or if one of my videos is not good at all, then I realize that this is not the way I should talk in my videos. If one of my blogs is not very good, it's not impactful at all, I understand that this is not the way to write a blog that should be good. That's what we need to do. We need to consider each mistake as a learning experience. And when we think of it that way, failure does not become final. It just becomes another stepping stone for our success. So keep this kind of mindset. Have this idea that yes, making mistakes is okay. And then something very interesting will happen with you. So let me tell you this. There's this quote that when one door closes, another opens. That when we lose one opportunity, we are able to get another one. But why do we lose opportunities in the first place? Because we make mistakes. And there are opportunities all around us. So if we don't make mistakes, if we are not only success oriented, then we won't be able to recognize those opportunities at all. But once we do recognize those opportunities, it means that we are success oriented. We have a vision on our goal and we are focused on that. But if we fail at one opportunity, if one opportunity door closes on us, that is because we made a mistake. And well, this is true that if one door closes, another opens. There are thousands of possibilities for us to do more and more. But instead, when we accept our mistake, when we accept that yes, we were wrong, yes, we can improve, and we think how we can improve, we don't just move on to the next door. We force open the closed door and we use that opportunity only to succeed. And that is also called the never give up attitude. So, by accepting mistakes, you're able to refine your craft, you're able to refine what you do, and you're able to capitalize on every opportunity that comes your way. And if you want that, if you want to become that successful person who grabs every opportunity, then you need to start becoming more accepting of mistakes. You need to make more of them. You need to learn from them, and then you will be able to succeed and grow more and more. So by changing our mindset about mistakes first, we will be accepting of them, we will be able to make more of them, and as that happens, we'll be able to learn more and more. So don't think that I'm not learning enough or I am not able to, grow a lot. Just spend time on growing your foundation, just spend time on developing your roots in whatever you do. And then as you make mistakes, as you refine, as you grow, you will start seeing that growth in your life. The first step is changing your mindset towards mistakes, and now you have done that successfully. So what I want you to do now is comment below and tell me, then write this sentence: I am proud of my mistakes. I am proud of all the mistakes I've made in my life and I learn from them. Write this sentence down, and once you do, you will start taking action towards that mindset shift, and with that mindset shift you will start becoming more and more successful and achieve all your dreams. Also, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because every week I'm putting out new content for you so that you can become more positive, you can accept more of your problems, and you can deal with your problems in your journey to success very well, so that your journey gets fast tracked and you achieve success very quickly. That's what this is about, that I am helping you solve your problems, become more positive day by day. So subscribe for that and hit the bell icon so that you get your daily dose of positivity. And also, do share this video with as many people as possible, because it helps more and more people become more accepting of mistakes. And once that happens, right, our society will progress so faster, because we will not consider mistakes as something to be bad. We'll embrace them as a community, and once that happens, our growth will be exponential. So share this video for that, and also like this video, because it helps me grow and it helps you grow too. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, remember that making mistakes is okay, and once you accept all the mistakes you are making, you will be able to learn from them, grow from them, and become an extraordinary person.